Lesson number 5. Who are you? Learn, read with me and enact. Student 1. Hello, I am a fresh green cabbage. Who are you? Student 2. I am a smart white rabbit and I eat cabbages. Student 1. Runs away. Student 3. Hello, I am a juicy crunchy carrot. Who are you? Student 2. I am a smart white rabbit and I eat carrots. Student 3. Runs away. Student 4. Hello, I am a big red tomato. Who are you? Student 2. I am a smart white rabbit and I eat tomatoes. Student 4. Runs away. Student 5. Hello, I am a green leafy vegetable. Who are you? Student 2. I am a smart white rabbit and I eat vegetables. Student 5. Runs away. Student 6. Hello, who are you? Student 2. I am a smart white rabbit and I eat vegetables. Who are you? Student 6. I am a super duper clever fox and I eat smart white rabbits. Student 2. Runs away. Student 6. Runs after Student 2. Name and label the pictures of various vegetables in your word file. Enact the story. In this skit, use another names of vegetables and increase the number of characters. For example, pumpkin. I am a big fat pumpkin. Cauliflower. I am a leafy curly cauliflower. Brinjal. I am a tiny purple brinjal. Radish. I am a long and strong radish.